you will have joy after sorrow. John 16, verse 22. Therefore, you now have sorrow, but I will see you again, and your heart will rejoice, and your joy no one will take from you. Jesus consoles his disciples who are experiencing sorrow at his impending departure with the promise of future joy. He assures them that their grief will be turned into joy when they see him again after his resurrection. This promise underscores the transformative power of Christ's victory over death, which brings eternal hope and joy to believers. It encourages them to endure present suffering in anticipation of the joy that awaits them in Christ's presence. This assurance of unshakable joy strengthens believers' faith and fortifies them to withstand the trials of life with steadfast hope. By clinging to this promise, we can endure temporary hardships with perseverance, knowing that God's faithfulness will ultimately prevail.